What's up YouTube? Let's talk about the Google Pixel 6. Google is going nuts with the Pixel 6. They're putting it all over the place for you to see, but not touch, creating the idea that something big is coming. This isn't the first time Google has leaked its own device before the launch date. It happened a few times with previous Pixel devices, but this is by far the highest extent to which any company has leaked its own device before the launch date. Google is basically saying, we have done something amazing and we can't wait for you to see it. So much so that they used their Nexus Twitter accounts that hadn't been used in 4 years to troll Apple on the iPhone 13 launch date, saying wait for the Pixel 6. And right after, they put up multiple billboards in different cities advertising the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. And they also have an actual Pixel 6 Pro on display in New York City. Pretty much anyone can go to the Google store in New York and take a look at the Pixel 6, but you can't touch the device. This is Google saying, we're really proud of what we've designed with the Pixel 6, and I've gotta say, it's a really good looking design. Google wants to take advantage of this unique design to generate a lot of hype for the Pixel 6. Also, the photographer who took the promotional pictures uploaded the pictures to his website, further revealing the Pixel 6. Now, according to some information from Taiwan, the Pixel 6 Pro will support 33-watt fast charging speeds, and it's been previously rumored to house a 5000 mAh battery. Although there is no information as to whether or not the base Pixel 6 will support 33-watt fast charging. Either way, Google has confirmed it's not going to include a charger in the box of any of the Pixel 6 devices. Now, besides the charging difference between the two devices, the other differences are in the display and battery size. The Pixel 6 is going to come with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz AMOLED display. It's gonna have two cameras, one main and one ultra-wide. The Pixel 6 Pro is gonna have a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display, and it'll have three rear cameras, a main, an ultra-wide, and a 4x telephoto lens. Google is finally catching up to the competition in terms of camera versatility. The base Pixel 6 is gonna have a 4614 mAh battery with 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB of internal storage options, while the Pixel 6 Pro is gonna have a 5000 mAh capacity with 12GB of RAM and an extra 512GB storage option. According to multiple leaks and rumors, the Pixel 6 is gonna launch on the 19th of October. Google is gonna explain to us what it's done with the Pixel 6 Pro and how amazing the device is. Google is also working on a Pixel Fold, but I'll talk about that in a different video, so subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. That's all for me in this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.